Today I'm going to show you on how to change birthday on TikTok. Stick with me till the end to exactly know how you can change yours. Now the thing with TikTok, it does not allow anyone to change their birthday on their own. You need to request the change directly to TikTok. So for that you'll need to report the problem and request the change. From the home screen of your TikTok, tap on the profile option on the bottom right. And then from here tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen and then head over to settings and privacy. From this page scroll down and tap on report a problem. Now in this section you can see all of the different kinds of problems that you can solve and find the answers to. Now from here you can scroll down to the bottom and tap on submit a report. Now after that is done, a feedback page will open up where you can now type in and request to change your birthday on your account. Now you can type in your feedback like this. You can say, hello, I have mistakenly entered my birthday to this and can you help me change it to this, and you can enter in your new birthday. So you'll need to enter in your birthday that you want to add, and then now you can tap on submit and send this report. Now after you have sent this report, TikTok should help you in changing your birthday on your account. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you guys want more of these videos, make sure to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more interesting and informative videos similar to this. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.